Hello friends, welcome to Vikas Academy. Today we'll discuss Battle of Plassey. This Plassey is also called Plassey, right? This Plassey is located in Bengal, Murshidabad district. Murshidabad district, right? It's very close to Hooghly River. Hooghly River. Here on this place, Plassey or Plassey, on 23rd June 1757, Battle of Plassey was held. It was fought between East India Company and Nawab of Bengal, King of Bengal, Nawab of Bengal. At that time, Siraj Uddaula was the Nawab. We also called Siraj Uddaula simply Siraj. He was popularly known as Siraj. And from East India side, Robert Clive was leading. Robert Clive. He was also governor of Bengal later on. Anyway, this battle was fought between East India Company and Nawab of Bengal, that is Robert Clive and Siraj Uddaula. And in this battle, Robert Clive was the winner and Siraj Uddaula was the loser. We'll discuss why Siraj Uddaula lost this battle, right? What was the reason behind this battle? Let's understand. You see, East India Company came to India in 1600 with the sole purpose for trading or business, right? East India Company came from England for trading purposes. However, after you can say 157 years, nearly 150 years plus, Britishers realized that we should capture India step by step, and they started establishing army stations and constructed forts in different parts of India, like you can say in Madras, in Bombay, also in Bengal, right? And this was not tolerated by Nawab of Bengal, who was independent king of Bengal. Independent king of Bengal, right? And Sirajuddaula thought to eradicate these company officials, this East India Company from territory. That's why it was fought between East India Company and Bengal of Nawab of Bengal. This is the point you should remember. And another point you have to remember, English people tried to bribe one person, you can say Mir Jafar. Mir Jafar was chief of army in this battle of Nawab, or simply you can say Mir Jafar was army chief. However, Mir Jafar betrayed Sirajuddaula and took bribe from East India Company, and Mir Jafar helped East India Company and As a result, Robert Clive won this battle, Battle of Plassey. Later on, Mir Jafar became Nawab of Bengal. After this battle, he became Nawab of Bengal. This is the point you should remember, right? And what was the significance of this battle? We'll discuss. First point, first point is it was first victory. It was first victory of British. First victory of British. Second, after this battle, British rule started in India. British rule started in India. And for next 100 years, for next more than 100 years, Indian subcontinent and Myanmar and briefly Afghanistan came under British Empire. Right? These are the points you should remember for exam point of view. Questions may be asked. Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? This is your 23rd June 1757. Who was the winner? East India Company or simply Robert Clive? And who was the loser? Siraj Uddaula. Who betrayed Siraj Uddaula? Mir Jafar, who was army chief at that time. Mir Jafar was silent in the battlefield and did not participate actively in this battle. Question may be asked that the British rule started in which year? Seriously, British rule started in which year? 1757. These are the points you should remember for exam point of view. I hope you got this point. Thank you for watching Vikas Academy. Wish you happy learning.